Still in Parliament, the Auditor General has flagged 4 municipal corporations which were unable to show evidence of how $81 million was spent. Details were released in an audit report looking at the management and effectiveness of government's social benefit programs. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
The 4 municipal corporations in question are St. Anne, Portmore, St. Catherine, as well as Kingston and St. Andrew. In this instance, the Auditor General was looking at the payment vouchers under the Municipal Social Assistance Program. During the 2020 to 2021 and 2023 to 2024 periods, the St. Anne Municipal Corporation reported $26.6 million in expenditure under the program. $8.4 million could not be verified. At the Portmore Municipal Corporation, from April 2020 to March 2024, there was $22 million in expenditure. $7.2 million could not be verified. For the same period over in St. Catherine, of the $125.5 million in expenditure reported, the authorities were unable to verify $52 million. And at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, 239 vouchers valuing $13.3 million could not be verified due to missing documentation. In the meantime, the Auditor General pointed out there were also inconsistencies in the indigent housing component of the Municipal Social Assistance Program. Between June 2018 and August 2022, the local government ministry disbursed $63.3 million to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation for 10 projects. Records and reports showed 4 houses built at a cost of $30.3 million. These houses were for 2 fire victims and 2 registered indigents. The Auditor General could not determine the beneficiaries of the remaining $33 million worth of houses. Similarly, the Auditor General could not determine if the basic requirement established by the parent ministry were met, as the names and social reports of beneficiaries were not presented. In response to these issues, the local government ministry said it would strengthen oversight by ensuring municipal corporations provide reports on the program by the 15th of each month. The Municipal Social Assistance Program was designed to help people below the poverty line. It has 4 social components: social and indigent housing, as well as education and funeral grants. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.